if you are going to throw down any type of seed this fall, then you definitely want to look at the garden weasel. This helps you really truly aerate your lawn. It actually punctures about 2-inch holes, and it's great for adding those holes that you need to plant the seeds. Also great for mixing up nutrients, adding oxygen to the soil. For me, when looking at the different options for aeration that you could do yourself at home, we looked at the garden weasel and we found that it fit all of the needs that we could use. My husband is quite tall, so having the long handle really was helpful to save his back. And also we liked that it had adjustable tongs, and we found it super easy to use, super quick, and it really kind of mixed up all the soil. Another use that you can use for the garden weasel is actually mixing up soil. It was really helpful for us as preparing the yard. For us, this is truly going to be helpful when we're throwing down our overseed this fall. I truly think that this tool is going to make our lives 100 times easier.